Hi friends, welcome to my channel Tinu Lovingly Art. This is a video of painting a peacock in tanjore style on a fabric. Come on friends, let us get into the video.
Firstly, I mark the center of the blouse. Then I place my design over a carbon sheet and I secure it from moving using a tape. Then I carefully trace my design onto the fabric.
Always check whether the complete design is traced to the fabric before removing the carbon sheet. After tracing the design, now I start with the base layer with white.
I always do 2 coats of white base layer. 2 reasons to do 2 layers of white base layer. Number 1, it makes the colors look more vibrant. Number 2, it helps to reduce the quantity of other color paints we use. I here use cerulean blue for the body of the peacock. Then I gradually blend in the blue color using the white color paint. Darkest shade of blue in the shadow area and blend it gradually going inwards. Now I use the same blue color for the peacock legs and wings. Now I use pink color for the lotus. Outer edge of the lotus to be darker. So leave the pink there as such and blend it downwards. I use light green for the feathers in the wings.
Then I use dark green to show the shadow areas of the feathers in the wings. Gradually blending the darker and lighter shades of green. I use chrome yellow for the beak and legs of the peacock. Then I mark the shadow areas using brown. Never leave the darker and lighter color as such. Always blend it gradually.
Then I do the eyes with white and black color. Now I use a pearl metallic gold 3D outliner to make these peacock feathers. To make it look more interesting, now I stick on some stones. I just don't want my feathers to be of single color, so I use white color 3D liner to make some more feathers. I painted this peacock for a sleeve. So to fill in the empty space around the peacock and to make it more good looking, I randomly make some simple designs using 3D liners. I made the mirror image of the previously drawn peacock and repeat the same process for the other sleeve. Here the consistency of the paint is more watery and so it bleeds. So always make sure to use correct consistency of paint. Now I noticed that I made the shadow part of the peacock's head on the wrong side. So I cover it all along the head using white. I allow the white color to dry. Meanwhile, I do the rest of the painting. After the first layer of white dries, I add on a second layer of white. Then I use cerulean blue for the shadow areas and I blend it all along the head of the peacock using white. I added on this part of the video just to say don't hesitate to correct the wrong, how much ever time it takes. If you like this video, kindly do like and share this video with your friends of similar interest. Tell me your views on this video in the comment section. Every comments help me correct and grow. If you are new, kindly support us by subscribing to my channel. Press on the bell icon to get notified on new videos. Thank you for watching the complete video.